said that.
Could you explain that?
How? Well, looking at the people that have come from all parts of the world to this event, I feel it is wonderful to be able to participate in this hobby and not have politics enter it.
Oh, I think they're just beautiful, the cars.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
He's stranded, he's done a rod.
Right.
16 miles out.
Yep. Okay, we'll get
So if you could get some help to him.
Bob Valentine's, the flower mill van. Oh,
No, this is Joe Morgan that's stuck.
Oh.
From America, from Oregon.
What's he driving?
A T-model Ford.
Oh, he's driving. Yeah, I know what he's
And the other fellow's got the truck with bread delivery written on it.
And go out and pick them up and bring them back here. Yeah,
Can you do that?
Yeah.
He's about 16 miles out.
Yeah, I got all the gas in the world.
Hey.
People we've met are very interested, and in fact more old car collectors now are buying these player pianos and Nickelodeons and band organs and sort of filling them right in.
You've got the bridle there.
Yes, Doug, yes. Yes. You want the Allen key?
Allen key.
Yes.
I'm a frustrated mechanic. If I get basic cars, I can figure out how to make them run. But I'm not capable enough and smart enough, and I'm not trying to be modest, it's the truth. I'm not smart enough to figure out the basic engineering and concepts and everything to design something from scratch. So fooling with these things, I have a little chance of feeling that I've accomplished something that's within my scope of capability. That, I think, is why I enjoy old cars. They're really pretty simple.
If you want any tickets for any of these things listed down there,
Yeah.
if you pop up here again, and we've got them all up there. And that's your rally pack with your number, your rally book, and various other bits and pieces of information, all right?
What, we're ready to hit it, okay?
Up.
Yeah, boy. Heavy little bastard.
Can we turn that gas on, John?
Yep.
Okay, gas is on.
Okay. Road.
You've got your starting time, haven't you? Clocks all synchronised. When you're ready. Hold it. You've got down a 1930 Nash. Are you a 1931? I'm sorry, you're 1931. That's what I didn't know the exact year. All right, okay, we'll let you go. 110, we want him. And his name is Mr. Moore. That'll do that up there. Go for the football coverage, get the tournaments.
Thank you very much, sir. That's very nice. Good morning, folks.
Should call at the Union Travel Caravan as soon as possible, and it's a reminder generally to people interested in traveling around that they can make their arrangements with the Union Travel people and the caravan, which isn't far from Reading.
Yeah, well, we went up and sat down in the stand. We were up there for about half an hour or more before it started. And it was the most successful night over the car. That's the same thing with all the little doilies. This way, you choose right, that way.
You turn it the way you want it. But it is a special model. It's got the close ratio gearbox.
Oh, they were selling the heads and bows for 30 bob.
Well, you could buy the racing engine just in a box. You could buy that's the racing engine. You could buy the racing engine and put it into your touring frame then and race it. I found a lot of these details from a chap in Newcastle called Moss Williamson, who's 78 years old now, and he held the lap record. He held a world's record for 6 laps of a half-mile track in 2 minutes 55 seconds.
Time had gone round a bit. So get him on the phone. So he gets him on the phone. He says, "What about those gears of my gearbox?" See? Well, he says, "I've sold the car." What he said, sold the car with
Sold his gears as well.
Yeah, sold the cars with the gears.
Yeah, it was a big one.
Yeah, well, that one there feeds the...
Number 1, number 2, isn't it? That feeds both.
Oh, I see. No, well, that's not how it's supposed to be. That one there is supposed to feed the gearbox. That one there feeds both 1 and 2 together. That's how we've got it now. And that one there feeds the big ends.
You know anything about Model 8 cylinder heads, and they'd be very
They all look the damn same to me.
Well, there's got different finning to the barrel.
Oh, yeah.
The head finning is
A lot
coarser
more
and thicker.
cars here than what we've got in Australia. We had the International Rally in Australia last year.
Yeah.
But there wasn't half as many cars. And the standard of the cars here much better than we had in Australia.
Well, see, most of our tours in the States are only about 200 cars. That's a big tour.
They still drive them to work actually. The restrictions on the run around here, and the import restrictions, they don't get the cars in like we do into Australia, and you get into the States.
Right. But we have, we have an antique car tour. We're restricted to 315s, nothing newer than 1915, and we get about 200 cars.
I like bromeliads. They're part of a family of pineapple plant. And the particular plant that I grow are varieseas, which are particularly rare in this country. Some 60 growers in total. And I grow one particular variety of which there is only one grower in the world. One grower in New Zealand, rather, in total, and that's me.
Hi. What time's your starting time?
9:10.
9:10?
We are running a little bit late.
They're running a little bit late.
Yes.
It's now being 10:33. Well, I don't have to tell you that you can go in here and park and wait for your starting time.
Thank you.
You see where the gate is over there.
Probably won't have too much to wait.
Be careful catching up.
We'll do that.
No merry overdrive, huh?
None of that. None of that. Never.
Okay.
Never.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Have a good time.
Looks like it's going to be a good day, doesn't it?
It's a beautiful day. That
Right.
nose of yours is already a little pink.
You wait till tonight.
Yeah. All right. Have
like
fun.
traffic light. See you later.
Not bad either.
Sounds really nice.
That's a good one.
See the colour of that exhaust?
Yeah.
I'm interested in knitting needles, and we make knitting needles here in New Zealand and cover the whole country with the needles, and we're the only ones in the country making needles.
What should we do now?
That's it. That's it.
Right.
Now,
Next, push come off.
Oh.
Right.
Looking at it, probably the screw out the top of the distributor is always the same.
And one more washer somewhere. Yep.
Go to washer. Too far
Back
forward.
you just a fraction.
Oh, Jesus. You realise that this is the ideal car for track racing. It's not a gymkhana type of car. This afternoon has proved that. The car's done very well in the owner's hands, and always will. It never misses a beat. Ideal for track racing and fast touring.
Here we go, the drivers are after the cars. Watch with interest now which one starts.
So, we start, most of us, with sports cars. And as we realize, as we get older and more mature, that we really can't drive with all of the sharp drivers, why we slide back into driving something that we're capable of driving. But the basic thing is that it's mechanical, and we can tune it, and we can make it run better and have that fun.
Wreck, there was no roof on the top. The guy had actually chopped the roof off with a chainsaw and had a set of surfboards hanging out of the back of it, and I picked it up with V8 wheels on it.
Hi?
Get after it.
Yeah.
Well, Connie brought it out.
Standing around doing nothing in their pockets. Would you please get your hands out of your pockets and report to Care Maysfield at the foot of the stairs by ready report.
It's both. That's 26.
Oh, 26. 75, though. What 25?
I'll leave it even.
Okay.
There's another bloke interested in it too.
Oh. The tail light, you know, the old Lucas tail light with the 3 lenses.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, look, for God's sake, let's know.
Yeah.
I'll try and get one for Murray Fish. He's been looking for one forever.
Ever and ever and ever.
Yeah, so if you see one,
Right.
I'll tell you what, grab it.
Yeah.
It was reasonable, grab it.
What,
and I'll pick you up.
$10?
Oh, look, I wouldn't worry if you went to 30.
All right.
Huh?
Yeah,
Good.
Yep. You haven't got a glass kerosene tail light you'd like to swap?
Suit? S-W-O-T. Sootless. Sootless. She's not a boss. Pay, something or other. Patent number 721. But at least it's like it might be.
Yeah, that mica business there, that suggests the old, almost, the old aircraft plugs used to have that type of...
That's right. Do you know how much an aircraft plug is today?
No?
56 to $60.
Round. Face that way. Straighten up. Whoop. The big sedan in the middle. Come up behind and go exactly where he is. I'm going to pop him on the outside. If you go exactly where he is, go onto his wheel marks. That's right. Keep coming. Straighten up. Now, go back. Big smiles. That's right, that's lovely. And you can stand virtually. Stand with your door open. Okay. Gives us a little bit more of a thing. Now, one hand up on the door. That's right, that's it. Now, you can stand with your hand just on the door handle. Yep. Right. Everybody freeze. That's a take.
That was on the Tuesday for the Artemuid.
Oh,
the detour.
No, that was a detour up on
the dam.
up on the Cambridge route.
Yeah, on the Cambridge.
Where did we go?
We went down across the dam and up to here.
That's right. There, well, there's the detour
There's the detour marked.
But they had instructions for that. It brought them out of that.
Yeah, well, see, on the Monday it was a normal straight through that the normal route. Then on Tuesday we gave them that amendment.
Yes.
And then on Thursday, everybody was asking us, "Where's the amendment?" Now here's a Bentley. Now this is the car that we all talk about. Now that engine is loose. In other words, that engine was probably rebuilt 10 to 20,000, maybe even more miles ago. So it's a little loose in the rockers. You can hear it. Now let's go on the back and take a look at it. Don't go off yet. I want to listen to your exhaust. You're running rich. Can you get it up a few revs? I don't know if you can pick this up, but you can tell by the black smoke around the inside of that exhaust that he's running rich. He's got too rich a mixture. And probably when he gets out on the road and he's on a high-speed jet, it won't be that bad. All right, you want to pull away? Give us the old note as you pull away. Now, that's a Bentley noise. It's a little rich, but it's a Bentley noise. You beat your head against the wall because you feel so good when you stop, right? You get out of one of these old cars and all this mud and rain and stuff, and when you come in and you take all those clothes off and you realize it's all over with and maybe you go and have a drink, oh, it's a wonderful feeling.
Right. To get that lost.
Too good, was it?
You bloody well wouldn't be.
Yes, I've got a slight problem. I do suffer from car sickness.